Hi friends, I just received my new electric spray gun. It's really nice equipment because you can paint everything really fast, really easily. Okay, this is the of course the air pump, and this is a 1.2 liters container. That's what you can fit in this container. Okay, that's how you use it. It has 3 patterns here. Okay, depending on how you want to spray or to pour the paint. Okay, and well, as you are going to see when we test it, it's easy to use it, easy to clean it, and really fast to paint whatever you need to paint. That's the fun part. As you can see, the patterns that you can paint are here. If you have it like this, it will make like a tall pattern. If you want it a horizontal pattern, you should put it like this, or a circular pattern like this. So that's the way the paint will flow, depending on how you want to use it. This knob will help you control the amount of paint. If you put it out, it will get less paint when you press it. If you turn it down, you will get more paint, more product. Okay, so this is it. Let's try it. You also get a few accessories here: a viscosity cup, a viscosity check cup, a cleaning brush to clean small parts when we are going to clean it, a needle to unclog whatever gets clogged with paint or whatever, and 2 different nozzles, a 3 nozzle and a 1.5 nozzle with different openings. So depending on the kind of product that you are going to paint with and the use that you are going to give it, you have different nozzles here to use them. Okay, perfect. You get 3 different nozzles, 1.5, a 2 that it's already installed, and a 3 nozzle. They have different openings from smaller to wider, and well, you will use them depending on what you're going to paint, what kind of product you are going to use, and you get all the options. Perfect. Let's try it.